but I held it down like this. The front was down, but I held it down, and then the fucking front just went, wow.
Well, if you're gonna let your son hit switches, teach him.
No way. He just did it to brought it in. He's not hitting the switches. I was the one that was doing it the next morning, but I noticed that when you hold the button down for the back, it makes the front go up. I don't know why. No, that's good.
Yeah, let's do that. That's the front down, all the way. Got the back up. Tap it. Yeah, right there. So what were you doing that you tapped the back and the front went up?
Yes.
Not doing that right now.
Were you drunk and had it on your lap or
Yeah,
something?
you were probably drunk, fool.
I was like, yeah, when I had it, I hit the front down. I had it down like that, and then I was going down, but when it didn't work, I did this, look. I held it like this,
Yeah.
and when I held it, that's what made it go up.
Yeah, no, you don't do that. You're gonna fucking do it. Tap it up. Put them up. Good?
Yeah, it's grabbing now. It wasn't grabbing that day, and I noticed it because when I woke up that morning, that shit was locked up so high, Pelayo.
Yeah, you overlocked it.
I didn't overlock it.
Whatever. Yeah, you overlocked it.
The drive line was like this, and I was like, oh, fuck.
Keep it overlocked, I'm gonna charge you more.
Okay, so hold the trunk. You want to take this side to side? He said, I'm going to break it, and then I'm going to fuck with it.
So that's going up and down, that's pretty good right there, right? You good with that?
Yeah.
Really to the front.
Hop in the front.
No, fuck no.
I've been bullshit on me. Come on. He said, fuck that.
No,
you broke my shit.
We have that local.
Hopping shit happens all the way. You're bounding.
So should I do that?
You're gonna hop it up the side of hopping. That's on you.
Should I do that way?
Might as well do it right here. You're right here right now. So
That's what I'm saying.
Get your this is 11. Try not to put fucking vice grips on that. That's fucking.
It's not my good.
Whatever.
I used channel because I didn't have the wrenches.
Fool, I don't have money to make it. You ain't got no fucking wrenches.
I don't have a 19. My shit goes up to 17. Throw that shit. Coming or what?
Get some rags. Art.
Come on. Huh?
Get some rags.
Okay. Bye. You want some rags?
Some rags, come on. They're right there, fool. No, I got you. Fool. Right the way.
Sal's here. Salamander. For a minute, I think I was gonna make it till you told me how to do it. I'm like, fuck yeah. I told Sam, send me a spot. He's like, all right. I mean, Ram.
Yeah, it's got Teflon, dog.
Okay. Alright. This is the east side car wash man right here.
Okay.
Sal!
How you doing, Sal? Good.
You strip the check valve, so replacing it, putting some Teflon on. You overlocked it, up in the mouth. It's normal for you guys.
goes up, when the seat goes down, just dump it real quick, and as soon as the tire hits the ground, hit it again. So you're just catching it, rolling with the flow, you know what I mean? So when it hits the ground, go down. When you about to go all the way down, hit it again.
Ready, Mel?
Start bouncing on its own.
And then catch it.
Yeah. Dale, güey.
That's how you break in the springs.
Huh?
That's how you break in the springs.
That's how you break all kinds of shit. They ain't gonna be out of here. We're gonna be here every weekend.
Hell yeah. You see?
What's up?
Catch, get it up, and then
Chill.
it's gonna bounce down. Catch
Ready?
it.
All right.
Always flow.
Move this one out of the way, big dog. Let me back up the impala. You back it up before.
What's up, Ram? How you doing? Just hanging out there, it is. Changing on this one, Jose.
We're gonna put that new whammy pump that's over there on our thing, and this one replacing the pumps. It's going our new whammy competition motors versus 2-street pumps. I'm in a 916 weight. What's that? Right in that big gray toolbox. 916 and a half inch.
Oh, shit, Art's back on the payroll?
So basically, instead of the 2 pumps, it's just a 1 pump setup.
Yeah, it's still a 2 pumps, but it's connected with 1 tank. Did some, we got a little bit exotic with it. Did some patterns on it and murals. Okay.